Dual Blend number 26 LVT Cleaner Re-Juvenator. Effective in the cleaning of LVT, linoleum, and other synthetic floors. This highly concentrated cleaner, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 80 gallons of solution per concentrated case. This ultra-wetting cleaner is quickly able to penetrate dirt, soils, and other substances. The protective agents blended into the formula provide conditioning to leave surfaces cleaner, brighter, and more alive. Dual Blend 26 rinses easy, dries streak-free, and the low foaming allows for use in an automatic scrubber along with a mop and bucket.